Guys, dito tayo sa Toyota. May service si Olap. Merong recall dun sa sensor sa seat belt para malaman kung merong nakaupo or wala. Ito ang loaner car natin, RAV4. Kasi susunduin natin sa Ella mamaya, mga 4 hours daw. Ganong katagal bago matapos yun. So mga 3 hours lang tapos na si Ella. So susunduin natin, kailangan natin na sasakyan. Gamit naman ni Joan yung isang sasakyan, so mahirapan naman ng pabalik-balik. So buti na lang may loaner. Ayan, yun na tayo para mapagpahinga.
A few moments later.
Yan ang bagong loaner natin. Loaner car. Gray or silver. Ano silver? RAV4. No, LE base. Medyo nagtatabi sa service. Una, karoon daw ng problema. 1 hour na lang daw. Biglang bumalik daw ng sasakyan. So may loaner na. Ngayon pwede na nilang gawin ng medyo matagal-tagal. At may car wash. Free car wash. Yan na sila Ella. Lalaro sila. Yan si Ella. Kasama niya si Athena. Lalaro sila. Punta sila sa playground. Ayan, playground katabi lang. Wait tayo na ilang minuto. Naglalaro sila. Hello, Ella! Na-surprise si Ella. New car? Now they're fixing Olap.
Why?
There's something wrong. They fixed him and then we're borrowing this car. You like this car?
Yes.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
One eternity later.
Ganda naman, naka-RAV4. Bye, Ella!
Bye.
Bye! RAV4, oh. Yabang.
A few moments later.
And si Ella excited. Wait, Ella. Come here. Wait muna. Oh, come on, let's go. They're waiting.
What is it?
The car is waiting for you to cross. But you cannot cross without me.
When I go, Daddy, when I go taller like this, I can cross by myself.
Yeah. But you have to check if the car stopped or not, okay? If the car did not stop, don't cross. Ay, malamig ang hangin. Pangalawang araw na mahangin. Pero positive. Pero ang hangin malamig, kaya lahat mga naka-jacket pa dahil malamig talaga, except yung mga kaputi, mga Canadian hindi na, mga naka-short, t-shirt. What? Okay, come na, you play na. Okay, go play on the other side. Okay. Okay. Inangkin na ni Ella. You want to do this one? The red one?
No.
Why? Last time you did it.
When?
Last time.
The last time?
Yeah, you want to try it?
No.
I'll catch you.
But how about the height? How about
What?
the side? That's me to turn the outline.
Okay, if you don't want to, don't do it, okay? Was very fast.
But it's okay to be fast. I want to be more faster.
Why?
Because I don't.
XO, XO.
Is this for only metal?
Ay, lamig sa kamay. Pang 12 minutes para maglaro. Oh, you want to play on the blue slide?
Yes.
Oh, go na.
But I need to slide down with this.
Okay, slide na.
But I'm so scared.
Go.
Okay.
Yay! Okay, try it.
2 and 2. 1.
Hmm. Something go inside? Okay, go na. Yan, tama yan. You lock it.
I do that on a circle.
Okay.
See you.
See you.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Come on. Come and talk to me. I'm so scared. Teacher, what? It's such fun.
Okay.
Check! Ganda ng kulay ni Ella, parang ube na ano.
I'm going backward.
Are you going backward? You say hi, good dreamers. Okay. Hey. Outfit check. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, face here. Wait. So pretty. All pink ah. Oh, here. Round. Yes. And oh, sanitize your hands. Wash your hands kasi okay. Let's grab my shades muna sa other car, ha? Okay. Oh, shades for Ella. There we go. Ako guys ang maghahatid kasi wala naman akong pasok today. Si Daryl naman kay Kayden, so kukunin muna na yung shades ko doon. Guys, it's cold, no? O, wag mong mawalain yung cup mo, ah. Ha?
Okay.
Okay.
One eternity later.
So, andito na tayo ngayon sa superstore para mag-grocery. Hatid ko na rin si Ella. Kaya, tara na.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, so tapos na tayo mga 1 oras din. Bali inabot ng 233.30. Lahat-lahat na yun ha. So hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang daming tao ng umaga. Mga 9 na ako nakarating dito. Paalis na tayo ng anong oras na ba? Hala, 11 na. Susunduin ko na naman si Ella. So, uwi na tayo para may lagay ko na yung mga pinamili. Dreamers, ayan, nasundo ko na si Ella. Dito na kami ngayon sa Coco, dumaan. Kasi gusto daw ng milk tea. Si Daryl na lang yung pinapasok ko. Ako yung driver. Yan na si Ella. Tulog. Oops, ano yan Daryl? Nagising na si Banban! Ay, antok pa.
A few moments later.
Nice! Ganda guys. Wait lang, Daryl. Ayan guys. Dito na tayo. Antok pa din si Ella.
Who gave you the slippers?
Ang ganda ng skies. Kumusta na kaya yung swimming pool natin dito? Kailan kaya nila bubuksan to, no? Baka sa Mother's Day.
Ay, may tubig mo.
Oo. Hindi, meron na. Kaso nga lang, inaano pa nila. Dinamihan na nila. Nag-aano na, binabaran nila. Kailangan nilang linisin din yung medyo maitim. Yes. They will clean that first. Right? Are you excited? Yay! Ella will have a swimming pool every day. Every day. Hi, Kadreamers! So, ano yan, Ella? What's that?
This is a hot and with the ice
That's Tita Ice Baby. How about you, Kaden?
with the heart.
With a heart. Tita Ice Baby with heart.
This is
Ella is not yet done. Okay, go. Oh, it's Kuya's turn.
my baby Lucky.
Hello. How about Kaden? Oh, Kaden.
This is Canada and this is Philippines.
Wow.
And I don't know how to trace Canada and Philippines, so I need the people that trace Canada and Philippines.
What else, Ella? What's that?
This and then also says Canada and the Philippines. This is my school. And this is Tina's house. And this is my house.
Daming sinabi. Okay. Say bye na to ka...
Canada and the Philippines.
say bye na to ka-dreamers.
A few moments later.
Ito kami sa Saibon Foods. Bumili kami ng burger buns. Tapos sabi ni Kaden, bakit may dalawang Asher? Pares ng kulay, pares na limited. Ito saka ito. Yun sa akin hindi pa naka-car wash. All done? All done?
Yeah.
Hi Ella. Hi Kaden.
Hi.
You like hamburger?
Yeah.
How about Ella?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go home na.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Meanwhile.
Guys, malinis na yung pool natin. Ready to swim na ang mga tsanenok. Dreamers, so yan na yung swimming pool ng apartment. Wala pang naliligo kasi mahangin pa. Lalabas naman kami ngayon. Magpa-park. Sige na. Ito ka na. Si Daryl. Yes. Si Daryl nasa work. Say hi, Kadreamers.
Hi.
How about you?
So hot.
So hot. Nagre-ready lang tayo mamaya for later. Kasi nga,
Let's go to some
Giging malamig na.
that's near us, okay, Mommy?
you just want the park.
Because they just want to go to the train park and then go home to get iPad.
Why is it bad idea?
Because some of the people playing their...
Oh my God, ang lakas si Ella! Ella! Ganyan lang?